How to use Autohotkey for Roblox. Now, there is actually a minimal process or method for you to be able to complete this whole process. So first things first is leave your Roblox homepage right here and make sure that you're already logged in into your account. Create a new tab in your current browser and type in Autohotkey. Now, it is usually located at the very first result. Click that in, and you will be landed on the Autohotkey's official site. Now, once you click on download, you will be asked on what version you would like to have, maybe the version 1 or version 2, but I would prefer the latest version, which is version 2. Once you fully downloaded it, install it manually in for your PC or laptop, and this is gonna be the auto hotkey dash. Now, click on new script and then name it as Roblox keys and click on create. Now there's going to be a new folder or a new window will pop out, which is the Roblox hotkey that you just created. And then create a shortcut key here. Type in Notepad. Now paste this link or setup for you to be able to customize the keys you want. Now copy this, close, don't save, and then right click on the Roblox key that you created. Then open with more apps. Open it with Notepad and click on OK. Now paste the code that we just input earlier. Copy and paste this on the script that we just created, and this is where you can change it. So say for example, you would like the general movement keys for Roblox is actually WASD, but if you have that or wanted that to be changed, change it to Sense 6, Sense 7, 8, and 9. Change it to whatever you want, and then go to File, hit on Save, and then to run the application, just double click it again, and then it will automatically change your Roblox keys. And that's it. That's how you use AutoHotkey for Roblox.